Very good morning to all. Welcome to another vlog, another ride, another location with a group of friends. We'll try out our new DJI Mic 2 Mini, which is attached inside the helmet, very close to my chin. Please get connected. Yeah, finally. I was trying to connect my DJI wireless mic to my DJI Action 4 cam. It takes a while for it to connect. I'm not sure why it takes a while to connect, because it should be a seamless connection. Of course the camera will turn on in a second or so, but I'll not be able to record my voice at that time. So let's see. Okay, the guy at the toll was asking me for the ticket, but I think I dropped it off when I was picking my mobile in Kanakpura toll, so he just let me off. Nice guy. That's a hoarding. Take a break from life every day. Break from life. You're living in an apartment with 3 swimming pools, luxurious amenities and endless experiences, and you're asking me to take a break from life. We have our friend Chirag from No Roads today. Let's see how far we can go and where we can reach. Create memories. We have to go past all this traffic and divert somewhere. There is so much traffic. So much of traffic.
Giant windmill blades. Looks like they came from a Transformer movie. Anyways, Hosur Road is one where dreams go get stuck in traffic. Anyways, we took a detour and disappeared. Somewhere between Hosur and Kolar, our trail decided to play hide and seek kind of. Google Maps turned philosopher, all guesswork and no guarantees. But sure enough, we found a single trail slicing through the fields and poultry farms, like it was made for just one confused rider at a time. Enjoy.
Huh? Direction आगे इधर. Okay, आगे इधर होते.
We aimed for our destination, but the more we tried, the more dead ends is what we found. Off-road, right? If road ends, your adventure begins, or at least that's what we told ourselves while turning around again and again and again.
ಡೆಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಈಗ. ಹಾಂ, ಆ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ ರೂಟ್, ಈ ಕಡೆ ಇದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕಾ ನಾವು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಡ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ರೋಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ
Every time we hit a sketchy section, we would dismount ourselves like explorers staring at ancient ruins, hoping this wasn't the end. Most of the times it was. But who's keeping account when you have fun pretending your bike is a mountain goat, right?
ಇದೆಯಾ? ಹೋಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗೆ ಹೋಗೋಂತ. ಮುಂದೆ ರೂಟ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಗದ್ದೆ ಥರ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಫ್ ರೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹೇಗಿದ್ರು.
At some point, we stopped worrying about what lay ahead. Dead end, who cares? Let's go. Sometimes the best rides happen when you have no clue where you're going or how you'll turn around. Got it?
ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಬಂದ್ವಿ, ಇದು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಹೋಗೋಣ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫಸ್ಟು,
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಹಾಂ, ಓಕೆ, ರಿಯಲಿ ಗುಡ್. ಸೊ ಏನು ವಾಟಾಗಿದೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ತಮಿಳ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಹಾಂ,
ತಮಿಳ್ ಬರುತ್ತಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ರೋಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ. ಕಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್
ಈ ರೋಡ್ನೇ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾ ಫುಲ್ಲು?
ಕೆಳಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಂ, ಅದೇ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ರೋಡ್ ಒಂದು. ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಬಿ ದಟ್.
ಚಿಕ್ಕ ರೋಡು ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ.
And then came the patch that felt like Mother Nature herself decided to test us. The trail narrowed, the forest closed in, and thud. guess what happened? Yes, my buddy's bike decided to nap mid-ride.
ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಅದೇ
ಬರೋದೇ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇವಾಗ.
ಅದೇ ಹತ್ತೋದು ಹೇಗೆ ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಗಾಡಿ ಅಂತೂ ಹೋಗೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಲಾ?
1 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ತಡೀರಿ, ಈಗ
ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಎತ್ತಲ ನಾನು ಬೆಟರ್. ಇದು ಎಜ್ಜಿದೆ. ಹಾಂ ಎಸ್, ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಹೆಲ್ಮೆಟ್
Knees down, back bent, we performed the ancient ritual of lifting a bike on uneven terrain. Fun fact, your knees will complain loudly.
ಹೋಗೋದಾ? ಇದು ಮಾಡಿ ಹೋಗಿ.
Let's go.
ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ.
His bike was all up and off like nothing happened. Mine not so light, and neither was my fear. My Himalayan, and I did a slow waltz with gravity. Awkward foot by awkward foot. Pure elegance. If you squinted really hard. This was one of the most toughest patch in the entire trail. Somehow I managed to get past it.
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಲ್ಲು ಇತ್ತು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಅದೇ
ಮಣ್ಣಿತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿಂಕ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಕಲ್ಲು. ಅದು ಕಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಲ್ಲು ಸ್ಲೈಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮಳೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬಂದರೆ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ?
Then came this magical single trail, tall grass all around, like nature whispered, only bikers beyond this point.
ಒಂದಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬರ್ತಾ ವಾ ಡೌನ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ನಿಂತಿದ್ಯಾ?
ಹಾಂ ನಿಂತಿದೆ. ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಓ ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಫುಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಲೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇದೊಂದು ಸ್ಲಿಪ್ಪರಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೇ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟರ್ನ್ ತೊಗೊಳಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಡಿ, ಸೀದಾ ಒಂದೇ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಚಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಟೈರ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಗೇರ್ ರೈಯ.
We crossed more technical trails, each one pushing us, scaring us, and then boom, we made it. I used to pray for flat roads, and now I say, bring it on, with slightly less lush maybe.
ಹಾಂ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಇಲ್ಲೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲೇ, ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
Offline map didn't give us a clue on where we are going, since the satellites won't work on the maps, and we were as confused as ever, trying to find a way forward amongst all these hurdles. Somehow we stopped at a place and
ಈಗ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಈಗ ಸ್ಯಾಟಲೈಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅವೈಲೇಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ಲೈನ್. ಈಗ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೆ ದಾರಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಗೂಗಲ್ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್ ನಂಬಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ?
ಲೆಫ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹಿಂಗೆ
ಮತ್ತೆ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್.
winding up through the hills, turn by turn, we finally reached the tower, and there it was. lush greens below and sky painted in the blue above. You think you'd get used to it, but no. Every ride it's a fresh hit of woe. The breeze slapped the tar plates like a reminder that you're tiny and nature's almighty. The view from the star was mesmerizing, as was the ride till here. We spent at least 45 minutes on this beautiful location, and it was time to say goodbye and move on.
Okay, so we are on our way back. Always you have to put your weight in the front when you are climbing uphill. Front tire needs more traction, so it makes more sense to put weight on the front wheel. Just lean on to the front as much as possible so that you will get the gist of it. Hope my voice is really clear with the DJI mic. Okay, this is the trail. We are game for anything right now. A lot of trails around this place. Basics right. Just that you have to get your basics right. So I've been thinking to go for a very long ride. At least for around 4 or 5 days. Either to Kanyakumari or towards Pune or Maharashtra this year. Need one long ride. This is a good trail. This almost falls close to Kolar on Hosur to Kolar road. If we saddle up, then most of the problems will sort out on its own. Good. Proper forest ade ನಾನು ಅದೇ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Oh, this is ghani jungle. Looks like some kind of a reserve forest in which we are traversing our route to reach one small dam. It's not as technical, but it's foresty. However, a forest trail should look like. This is exactly the way it looks. I miss my other people from No Roads group. No Roads, where are you guys? ಆ ಕೆರೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಓಹೋ, जंगल जंगल कहाँ चला है चड्डी पहन के फूल खिला है. Nice, this is good trail. It's certainly a game for bikers, because you'll have to think continuously as to how you have to maneuver your bike, how to tackle obstacles, and so on and so forth. So do keep in mind that whenever you come for such trails, right, always come with a partner, because if you don't come with a partner, full slow, there is a trap here. Let him pass. Always ensure that one more person that you are behind. Okay, let's pass. Okay. आराम से. Okay, done. Full slope. Yeah, it does skid a lot in these areas. To be little bit more careful.
By now, the rear tire was just an interpretive dance. No grip, no drama. Every clutch and brake felt like a sacred ritual.
Bit more careful, because there are a lot of stuff like this which can hamper your path. Techno trails, it's good. Came from that, I don't know if you are able to see. It was a there are so many butterflies all around. The path is paved in such a beautiful manner. Ooh, this is crazy. This is just crazy. Where are we? Where are we? Crazy ಮಾತ್ರ seriously. ಹೌದಾ? ನಾವು ರೋಡಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ, ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಡನ್.
Riding feels like something different. You just disconnect with whoever you were throughout that week, and you are completely someone else, or you're something else during that time. Sometimes riding just feels like a meditation, and other times it's like surviving a hurricane on two wheels. But it's all fun. Here it was both. My bike tackled everything in its path while I hung on, hoping I wouldn't become a part of its trail permanently. But yeah, we enjoyed thoroughly, and words aren't enough to describe the kind of experience that we have got here. It's a memory to cherish for times to come. Though we might visit this trail again, the time that you've spent here when you have visited this trail for the first time, it's something that you would hold on to yourself for a very, very long time. And we felt the same throughout this trail. It was something like a surprise that was given by the nature, and we couldn't resist. We kept on going and going for kilometers together, trying to find a patch of off-road till we hit our actual road. Enjoy the rest of the journey.
Amazing. Seriously. ನೀವು ಸಖತ್ತಾಗಿ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರಿ. ನೀವು ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಓಡಿಸಿದ್ರಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಅಮೇಝಿಂಗ್. ಸೀರಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಯಸ್, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈಲ್ಸ್. ರೋಡ್ ನೋ ರೋಡ್, ರೋಡ್ ನೋ ರೋಡ್, ನೋ ರೋಡ್.
Near the end, I gave my best ramp walk impression, only less glamorous and more please don't drop. My bike and I shared a quiet panic, but hey, we came out of it almost upright.
Holy cow. Not sure where I would have fallen.
ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ನಾನು ಮಿರರಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಬರೋದು ಆ ರೋಡ್ ಪಕ್ಕದಾಗ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ
ಅದಾ
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಫೋನಲ್ಲಿ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಓಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮದು
ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ನೀವು ಹೋಗಿ ಬನ್ನಿ ಫಸ್ಟು
ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಜಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬಟ್ there is a warning or information given that there are wild animals in this forest, but I felt we were the wild animals today with another wild animal, our bikes.
Though the fuel level was a little low, we were quite excited to see this star surrounded by lush green environment.
ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಹಾಂ ಹಾಂ ಬರ್ತೀನಿ we will never stop looking for off the roads. It's always off the roads. Today's off-road trail was one of the best off-road trails in terms of difficulty level. As per my experience, it is at the top right now. Not the top. Kake Bay was even more difficult because the condition which I was in was really bad.
We came to Sarjapur grounds thinking that we could do some jumps here, but it was all leveled up. So next time.
ಚಲೋ ಸಿಗೋಣ ಫೋಟೋಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ
ಹಾಂ ಸರಿ
ಓಕೆ ಯು ಬಾಯ್ amazing day. I think words are not enough to describe the amount of happiness that we have got doing those trails. It's made for off-road enthusiasts, welcomed by Mr. Rain, because of which the trails were quiet. Those slopes, steep slopes, we had fun. Chalo, good night, bye.